Hey everybody, I'm Super Machine 92. Welcome to another video of Holiday Creations Volume 5, and this is the last May character, and it's on the road to the final character, which is gonna be there the next month. But not before I introduce you to the new character, and Happy Memorial Day, by the way, since Memorial Day from Volume 4 makes a return. Anyways, the new character is Bowling Blitz. Now, Bowling Blitz was just the random sketch character I just made, but unlike that though, I decided to make him as part of the first four May characters that were lined up, alongside with Ivan Cerulean as from the Crew Adventures 15th anniversary. And I haven't forgotten the bowling days, since I did bowl a few years back. Well, maybe not a few years, but 2 years back, because I did bowl on my brother's birthday, and I became the official winner in bowling when I placed first when I was introduced to my brother's friends, since we've been competed, and I had a blast with them. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the creation of Bowling Blitz, although I am using white paint, which is kind of hard to see, but you'll probably see it eventually in the aftermaths. Hope you enjoy it, and Happy Memorial Day. All done. Hope you enjoy the creation of the Bowling Blitz. He's gonna strike his way into victory. Hope you guys have a safe Memorial Day, and give a warm welcome to Bowling Blitz. And here's his bio of the day. And for the photo souvenir, it's Proud Artist Hero. I'm proud to be an artist and proud to be a hero at heart. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again in the Father's Day creation. The final character is coming. Bye!